Hello students, we are going to discuss about the interrogative sentence. So let's start today. In the previous class we discussed about the how to make the interrogative sentence, and there are the two types. One's WH type and yes or no type. Yes or no type. So today we are going to discuss about the how to make the questions. Okay, look here. Here I'm going to write some sentences. Okay, how to convert this sentence. The first questions is there. Lata is reading a newspaper. A newspaper. Okay.
Sir, this example was over.
Okay. I know very well. Yesterday I discussed this example. Lata is reading a newspaper. Okay, so how to convert this newspaper? It is the object, and for object के लिए हम क्या यूज करते हैं? What यूज करते हैं ना, ये object. Then Lata is reading a newspaper. Then how do we make sentence? What is, क्या लिखेंगे? ये इसके लिए हम what लिखेंगे. और स्ट्रक्चर कैसा है? WH वर्ड स्ट्रक्चर देखो, मैं यहाँ लिखता हूँ. आई एम गोइंग टू राइट हियर वंस अगेन द स्ट्रक्चर. WH टाइप WH वर्ड्स, देन प्लस हेल्पिंग हेल्पिंग वर्ड्स प्लस सब्जेक्ट, then object. Okay, and then complementary. Okay, so once again here I use the words what, WH word, then helping word is here what is. Okay, what is, then subject. Who is subject here? Lata is subject. So Lata, what is Lata reading here? Lata, or after that we give question mark. Okay, this or. Okay, so we discuss about the various sentence. While we are changing the sentence, we don't change the tense form of that earlier sentence. We don't change the tense form. Okay, so second sentence here. Yesterday we discussed Lata is reading. Lata is reading. So here ये क्या है? Underline part is reading. Underline part is reading. So here is also verb. Lata is reading, main verb. So then how do we make the sentence? What? WH word, reading. ये क्या है?
What is Lata doing?
Yes. ये
What
यहाँ
is Lata doing?
yes, हम ये ऑब्जेक्ट था. ये क्या है? वर्ब है. वर्ब के लिए भी हम क्या यूज करते हैं? व्हाट यूज करते हैं. व्हाट. देन while making sentence, what is Lata
Lata doing?
बंद कर. what is Lata doing. रीडिंग के बदले क्या करना है? डूइंग करना है. ओके, what is Lata doing, this sentence. After that next sentence, number 3 sentence देखो how to changes the. Lata is 10 years old. Lata is 10 years old. Lata is 10 years old. ये क्या है? Underline part is 10 years. Underline part is 10 years. Okay, then 10 years. तो it shows इसके लिए हम क्या यूज करते हैं? Lata
How?
is yes.
How?
How many means period के लिए हम यूज करते हैं how many. Okay, how many we use how many. So then how do you make the sentence? How many? How do you make sentence? WH word first of all. Structure हमारा कैसा, how many. So period means years के लिए हम क्या use करते हैं, for what means we have to use for years how many, then how many,
How many year?
how many,
How many old Lata is?
how many years, how many years, how many years, tell
Lata old.
how many years,
Lata old Lata is.
how many years old, old is Lata, like this, and after that give questions time. The next number 4 sentence is here. Annie decided to continue. Annie decided, DECIDED, Annie decided to continue to continue a diary. Okay, look here, underlined part is here, a diary, ये डायरी. एंड ए डायरी, व्हाट इज दिस, ए डायरी के क्या है, लुक हियर, एंड इज सब्जेक्ट, डिसाइडेड इज द वर्ब, एंड दिस पार्ट इज टू कंटिन्यू ये डायरी, कंटिन्यू ये एडवर्ब, एंड ए डायरी इज ऑब्जेक्ट, क्या है, अंडरलाइन पार्ट इज द ऑब्जेक्ट. एंड फॉर व्हाट वी यूज, ऑब्जेक्ट के लिए हम कौन सा यूज कर सकते हैं,
What?
व्हाट, वेरी गुड, व्हाट. सो you then make देखो diary object, so we have write here what, after that decided here, so decided is the verb second form, decided is the verbs, it is the second form of the verb. Okay, so for that we have to write decided. इसके लिए हम क्या यूज करते हैं, हेल्पिंग वर्ब कौन सा आएगा, which helping verb we should use here, tell me.
Was. It.
Did what did, decided है here, so what did, what did, after that helping verb, after that subject, who is subject here, what did look here, means underline some part. Okay, then decided we do subject part is Annie. What did Annie decide? Okay, DECIDE only. What did Annie decided to continue? Okay, after that full stop, isn't it? Next I am going to give another examples. Okay, next example is Lenin started the Great Revolution. Lenin started the Great Revolutions. Underline part is here, I use here Lenin. So tell me the sentence, how to make the sentence. How do you make the sentence?
Who started the Great Revolution?
Very good. Lenin is the subject, and for person we should use who. Okay, and then it is very easy to making the sentence. Then who, the same sentence we can make two types. Okay, who started, we can who started, STARTED, who started the great revolutions, who started the great revolution. After that, questions mark. Once again we should write like this way: who did start, who did start, who did start the great revolutions. Okay, who did start the great revolutions? After that, questions mark. Look here, why use here started, as it is started, use here V2. Verb का second form I use here directly as it is in the second sentence structure. I use here did, so that's why we should avoid it. If we use here did, so we do not use here ed. Okay, so both sentences are right. Okay, the next, once again, different kinds of, and after that we should discuss about the tense form. Okay, look here once again. Second form is my school gets over, my school gets over, my school gets over at 5 p.m. Okay, 5 p.m. Underlying part is here 5 p.m. It shows here, ये क्या दर्शाता है? My school gets over at 5 p.m. Tell me the tense form, in which tense form the sentence given here, in which my school gets over at 5 p.m. Discuss. Tell me the sentence given in the simple present tense, isn't it now? Simple present tense. Okay, simple present tense. So you have to make the questions. हम immediately make sentence. बनाओ.
When did my school get over?
Very good.
When did your school get over?
No. Look here. You
When
observe.
did my
You
school get
you observe the sentence first of all. Here is the gates. Here is the gates. So you must write. What is here? Here you for gates. Gates is the verb. Huh? So this is the simple form. The gates is simple form, and here is add yes. So when, how to make sentence? Once again you tell. Once again you tell.
When did my school get over?
No.
When does my school get over?
Yes, absolutely right. This is right sentence, means when, because here shows the time. ये क्या दर्शा है? यहाँ टाइम दर्शाता है ना? यहाँ टाइम शोज किया है. Here it show the time. So for that, if the sentence show the time, then we use for that when, and WH word structure, WH words when. After that, helping verb is the gates. Yes लगा है. So that's why we add here does, DOES, yes. Decided, for that DECI, DED. We use for that verb second form we use did. And if there is sentences goes, so we must write does. Okay, does, like this way. When does, here it is personal pronoun is my, so in place of personal pronoun my, we must write here when does your school, when does your school get over Get over. Subject part is my school. Get over. After that question mark. Isn't it? समझा? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next part. Oh. Okay. Then she is walking very slowly. She is walking very slowly. Look here. The underlined part is very slowly. Very slowly. Very slowly means she is walking very slowly. First of all, you tell me the tense form of the sentence. What is the tense form of this sentence?
Present continuous.
Very good. Present continuous tense. C is why subject plus M is R plus V4 क्रियापदाला ING असतो त्याला क्रियापदाचं चौथं रूप आपण म्हणू शकतो. We can say that. Okay. She is walking very slowly. Okay. So underline part it is adverb. How she walk. कैसी चली? हाँ. Then how to make sentence?
How she is walking.
Very good. How she walking. How WH वर्ड यूज किया. देन हेल्पिंग वर्ब क्या है यहाँ? व्हाट इज द हेल्पिंग वर्ब हियर? हाउ इज. पर्सन प्रोनाउन यही आता है. सी का सी आता है. हाउ इज सी वॉकिंग. वो कैसी चल रही थी? कैसी चल रही थी? हाउ सी इज वॉकिंग.
Slowly.
हाँ.
Very slowly.
Very slowly. Like an ant. Okay. How is she walking? This second form. Next. The bag is red. The bag is red. मुझे ये बताओ, ये the bag is red. This is the statement, affirmative sentence. This is the statement or declarative type of sentence. We can say that statement, assertive sentence, declarative sentence है ना? ये this is the kind of sentence. And what is the kind of this sentence? Declarative. Declarative, assertive statement. And what is the tense form of this sentence? Simple present tense. Simple present
Simple
tense.
present.
Okay. Simple present tense. And which type of this sentence? What is the kind of this sentence? This is the kind of sentence statement or affirmative sentence. Okay. The bag is red. Okay. Then underline part is the bag is red. Underline part here red. red है तो क्या आएगा? टेल मी.
How is the bag?
नो नो नो. द बॅग इज रेड. बॅग कशी आहे म्हणजे बॅग काय आहे? द बॅग इज रेड. बॅग कशी आहे? सो यू मस्ट राईट देअर व्हॉट. द बॅग इज रेड. व्हॉट कलर इज द बॅग? व्हॉट हियर रेड. हाँ यह सेंटेंस ऐसा आएगा. व्हॉट कलर इज द बैग. ये सेंटेंस सॉरी ऐसा आता है. ये रिमेंबर दिस. Some sentences are exceptions. Okay, you remember it. This sentence. Next. Today is Saturday. Today is Saturday. Today is Saturday. And the underlined part is Saturday. How do you make the sentence? Today is Saturday. Tell me.
What day is today?
What day is it today? What day is it today? What day is it? Is it to what day is it today? today. After that, questions. Okay. Now, I'm going to give you some examples. I'm going to give you some example. You must solve here. Okay.
Okay, sir.